Before this program, I had absolutely zero knowledge of anything about computers. I didn't even know what HTML stood for. But now, after this program, I know how to build a website and I can build a web application, and I think it's been a really great experience.
So I think our main ambition, at least as I see it, is that we want to give students the skills that they need so they can build things, applications, products, services, using technology, build things that interest people. As part of that, I think one of our main goals is giving these students the skills they need to participate in entrepreneurship, to maybe serve as technical co-founders or sort of technical leads for ventures here on campus. But we don't want to just limit ourselves to that. I think we're really looking to just give students these skills and then see what they do with them.
I feel like you just gain a real practical knowledge around computers and computing that you could apply to a wide variety of projects and a wide variety of fields after the course. And it also gives you a foundational knowledge to then add to and learn more on your own within whatever other context you want.
I just feel like so many more things are within my reach, so many ideas that I can now complete on my own. I just have a lot more practical skills, and I can actually do a lot of things right now, which I couldn't have even thought of 7 weeks ago.
I think actually the most surprising thing is just how much initiative the students have shown. I thought one of my roles as instructor of this course was going to be to really organize the work that they did in terms of the projects that they were working on. But they have done a fantastic job of just self-organizing and coming up with these great ideas and just taking the initiative to do everything they need. There's so many things in technology that I couldn't possibly teach every skill they would ever need. So, we wanted to teach them the skills to teach themselves, and they have really taken that and run with it. So for their first projects, these students were taking on sort of technical challenges that I did not expect them to take on for their final projects. And it was just kind of really shocking and a little scary in a way, because it was like, what if they try to do too much and fail? But they didn't. They all did fantastic for their first projects, and that their final projects now are just even more ambitious and even more amazing.
What I love most about YEI is its people. I think that we have the best teachers ever, especially Adam, who is so patient and just so willing to teach us everything that he knows. I also love the people I work with. Everyone in the YEI Tech Bootcamp is really eager to learn, really eager to build, just really creative things, and everyone is really dedicated to learning how to code, and it's really inspiring.
So another really interesting aspect of the Tech Bootcamp is that there's 15 of you, all from very different backgrounds. So there's people from science, there's people from the humanities, there's people that are actually computer science majors themselves, there's people from all different grades, even a few graduate students. And so that gives you an opportunity to really think about things in different ways, especially when you're trying to design a web application in a group. That group setting is really good practice for learning how to deal with different types of people and kind of incorporating everyone's ideas to make an even better product than you could think of on your own.
So we're definitely not looking for, any one demographic. We're definitely looking for a variety of people. We're not looking for computer science majors because they're easier to teach because they've already got a lot of knowledge. We're really looking to take students who have little or no background in this area and bring them to being full web developers in the course of about 10 weeks.
I think a lot of people get intimidated by the idea of coding. They always think that it's something that other people do. And I think everyone should know that it's totally possible for everyone, regardless of your background. Even if you think that, I'm not a computer science major, how can this be relevant to me? I'm a biology major, and I think learning how to code is something that is applicable to everyone, regardless of your background. So learn to code.